Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a smooth velocity edit in CapCut. So here, I'm going to use the auto velocity so it will make your velocity smoother and also easier for you to make the velocity edit. So what you need to do is just click on Eclipse and go to Style, and then here just swipe until you find the auto velocity. Okay, this one's right here. So just click on the auto velocity and just wait until the velocity effect apply to your video. Okay, so it has been applied, but you can always adjust the velocity to make it smoother on how much you want to the interval between the two beats. So you can just adjust it like this, and then when you're satisfied with the result, you can just go back, and now it's generating again because I changed the interval before. Okay, so now it's done, and here is the smooth velocity result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.